Hey, what's up guys? In this video we'll see how to use picture-in-picture on YouTube in iPhone 11. So currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now to enable picture-in-picture on your iPhone 11, just open the App Store. Now from here, search x.app. Now from here, make sure you download this app. Now from here, once the app is fully downloaded, go to your home screen. Now from here, open YouTube. Now from here, just choose a video you want to open in picture-in-picture mode. Now from here, tap on Share. Now from here, tap on More. Now scroll down and tap on Picture-in-Picture. Now from here, this video will open in x.app application. Now from here, tap on Picture-in-Picture. Now as you can see, this is how you can enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube on your iPhone 11. Now from here, you can resize the size of your window by just pinching the window, and also you can move the place of the window by just dragging the window, just like that. And this is how you can use picture-in-picture on YouTube on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.